Assalamualaikum friends, it's me, your host Mamil Khan, and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing gaming project which name is Night War. So, guys, usually as you know, the weird name Axie Infinity has created a craze about NFT games around the world. So today, I am here with a new amazing project which is going to be Moon. And as you know, while currently NFT games just follow the boring click to earn, but Night War offers much more interesting gameplays, so that is defined to earn. So this is the game where you can play their games and enjoy and earn easily. So first of all, I give you a little introduction about the Night Wars. So what is Night War? We also discuss their story, their features, their roadmap, their technomics, and we also discuss how we can buy their tokens and claim their tokens, and how we can connect our wallet on their side. So as you know that this is the homepage of their site. So if you want to visit their site, I will also give the link of this site in my video description. You just need to go to my video description, and when you click on the link, you will find out this page. This is the homepage of the nightwar.io. So first of all, this video will be very amazing because it's on a very amazing gaming project. So guys, I request you to see my complete video without skipping, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first on your mobile screen. So first of all, here you can see that they also shared their contract address here. You need to copy it, and you need to go to your wallet to add their tokens in your wallet. So if you want to get some other knowledge or get some other answer of the question that you have regarding your project, you need to join their Telegram and Twitter. So they also give their note here. So they say that beware of fake contract addresses and fake social groups accounts. So first of all, I give you a little introduction. What is the Night War? So here you can see that they give their introduction that the Night Wars, the Holy Trio, is an upcoming play-to-earn game in the style of the Idle Defense genre. So built on Binance Smart Chain and the later Polygon layer 2 scaling solution to utilize its low fee, fast transaction speed, and large user base. Craft the best weapons and build your team of 5 of defend your castle and fight other players. So guys, here you can see that this is very amazing interesting game where you can play their game and earn a huge profit in a very few time. So they have designed a game with a twist in NFT where the focus is on the weapon system rather than the characters. The game does not aim too intensive to be too intensive. They want to be a simple and fun where anyone could relax, entertain, and still earn real money. So guys, here you can see that they offers a different interesting features in their games that everyone could easily feel relaxed, entertain, and still earn real money from their project. So Night War, the Holy Trio, is also developing assets for the metaverse, meaning all of your NFT can soon be transferred into the virtual world. So after this, if you want to play their game, you just need to click on it. When their game will come, you will be able to play their game and earn their different boxes and different weapons and characters, and you can also resell them on their marketplace. We also discuss their marketplace. So here you can here this is the story of their gameplay. As you know, the everything has its own story and based on their story, so you can read it. It is very interesting. So after this, we discuss about their characters. So these are their characters, very amazing characters. Here you see that the knight, mag, archer. So you can select your character and play your game and feel relaxed and entertain and earn money from their project. So after this, here you can see their different armors, their knight sword, their mag staff, and these are the power that you can use to play the game. Knights are your brave frontline heroes. Their armors are tough, and so you can read it's yourself. So after discussing about their character and their armors, we go down, and here you can find out the game is designed around a rich and deep NFT weapon crafting system items in the game. Each weapon will have different parts corresponding to different buffs to the equipped character. The rare The rarer the weapon, the stronger it will be. There will be three types of weapon: sword, bow, and magic staff. So each character can equip any type of weapon, but knights are strongest with their sword, archer with their bow, and mag with their magic stuff. So each character in their game have its own armors. So knight use their sword, archer use bow, and mag use their magic stuff. So you can buy them by clicking on it. So after this we discuss about their marketplace. So here you can see their different armor, different things that knight and other characters of this game use to win their game. So after this you can also find their feature that token is token staking. The stake your Night War Spirit KWS to earn passive income when you do not feel like spending to mint your NFT in game currency, and digital assets earned from playing the game are tradable with real money. Craft a tradable NFT once you have gathered the right ingredients. So your most important weapons, metadata, are securely stored on the blockchain in the form of an NFT for the lifetime ownership. So here you can also see their token metric. So token metric mean their token distribution or their tokenomics here. So the name of the token is KWS Night War Spirit, and their protocol is for BP20 and max total supply. They also have a max total supply. You can also see their figure, their initial supply, their KWS price, and IDO USDT, and initial market cap is also here, and fully diluted cap is also mentioned here. So you can also see other things like gameplay token. So their name is MRE Meteor Remnants Essence. Their protocol is also BP20, unlimited have total supply. Their memory listening on TBA. You can also see there are all details like memory price, initial market cap is TBA, and fully diluted cap. You can also see their roadmap. Basically, roadmap are the different plans that they set up into different quarters depending on the time period. So they have it to quarter one of 2021 that they have different plan like idea incubation, team formation, research and development. Quarter two have the different plan like partners and backers contact, building community. And quarter 3 have 2021 have the token IDO. Quarter 4 have the NFT weapon sale on marketplace game, alpha release with play to earn and features, campaign word boss hunt passive rewards. And in quarter 1 of 2022 have different plans from the quarter 1 of 2021. So they include the official game launch, PvP arena alpha, unlock demon as playable class, new weapon NFT type. And quarter 2 or 2022 have official PvP launch, more NFT items, armor and the ring demo. And quarter 3 of 2022 and onwards. So Cardano and the Ethereum cross-chain sport, land NFT sales and the land gameplay, alpha night war, brand franchise, standalone VR metaverse and PVVR version alpha is included in their plans. So here you can also find out their team members. So their team is very hardworking and very strong. So every product and or every project have based on their team. So based on their team hard work. So these are the partner and the investor. You can also find out on their homepage. So you can also read all are very famous and very big partners of their games. So after discussing these all things, you can also find the Night War on the Holy Trio on the gate.io. You can also see their this stamp success and the Night War airdrop. Their raise is mentioned here, their goal and all things all on the gate.io. So guys, here you can also see their Night War sprint. Night War the Holy Trio is an upcoming play to earn game. So this is the introduction of this Night War on the gate.io. So you can also see their token information here, their total supply, their token type, their contract, their angel 2 point token distribution ratio and the unlock rules, which include the angel 2.50 percentage unlock, 2% at TGA 3-month lock, and unlock linearly monthly in 12 months. So these features are very unique about their game project. So seed 6% unlock, 5% at the TGA 2 months lock, that then unlock linearly monthly of for 12 months. Private 11.5% unlock, 10% at TGE 2 month lock, the unlock linearly monthly for 12 months. So you can also see and read their all detail. You can also find out their white paper, their website on the gate.io. If you want to get more information, you need to download their white paper from their site. So I also give their link of their white paper on in my video description. Here you can see the other things like split sale rules. So you can see their duration is at 1 p.m. 25th of September 2021 at 1 a.m. So 26th of September 2021. So you can also see the other things like trading start time at 2 a.m. 27th of September 2021. Trading pairs is also mentioned here. The price is 0 USD, public price is $0.035. Startup supply is for this figure, and user purchase using USD to participate in the startup sale. Users will need to be VIP 1 and above, can only purchase once with each KYC account. And purchase limit, the maximum subscription limit for the single user is 1000. So after this we discuss how we can buy their tokens by using PancakeSwap or other things like different. So first of all we discuss about their marketplace. So here you can see that this is very coming soon. Only 6 days and 17 hours are remaining. So they offer 500 mystery boxes ready for ultra early warriors. So these are the here you can find out other holders, stakers eligibility to buy the you can also read it. So after discussing it, here you can find out their mastery box. There are bronze, silver, golden, 3 types of mastery box they include in their game. So once you can purchase, investors have the choice to either resell the box on our marketplace or open the box to receive the weapon NFT. Purchase mystery boxes can be resolved on our marketplace. Opened boxes, that is the NFTs received, can be resolved on the marketplace freely at the later date after game beta launch on guarantee the value of the NFT mystery boxes. The date and time will be announced via Nightwar, the Holy Trio Media, and official news outlet. So here you can also find out their timeline. So their timeline starts taking KWS on BSCC at 8 by 10, and you can also find out their ending registration period. They publish the result, and their ultra early warrior round and the weapon trading opens on their marketplace. So after this we discuss about the other things. So we go back to our home page. Here if you want to buy their tokens, you need to click on the buy now. You will find out this page. Here you need to first of all you need to import their tokens. So you can import their tokens by copying their contract address and paste at this place. So you will find out their tokens. You just need to click on the import, then you will find out and you will be able to swap their tokens with your BNB. So first of all you need to connect your wallet. You just need to connect your wallet, select your wallet that you want to connect with them, and write the amount of your BNB that you want to spend with KWS Night Wars token. So just click on the swap and these tokens automatically added to your wallet. So this is very simple way how we can buy their tokens. Now we discuss how we claim their token. So if you want to claim their tokens, so you will find out this page. Here you need to connect your wallet with their site. Choose your wallet that you want to connect with them. So here you can find out this page. This is the page how we can claim their token KWS. So you will easily follow their steps step by step, and you will be able to find how we can claim their tokens from their site. So first of all they also give their link of the for connecting your wallet and for claiming their tokens. So number one step is open their link. So number two step is when you open their link, you find out this page. Here you need to click on the connect. When you click on the connect, you will remember that make sure the network you are connecting with your wallet You are connected with your wallet in Binance Smart Chain mainnet and you need to connect your wallet before claiming. If your wallet is not yet connected, please try to connect again. So number 3 step is choose the appropriate round. There are 3 rounds like they have different name like angel, seed and private. So here this page which you will find out. So you need to select your round. So number 4 step is for the first time claiming, tokens will be automatically airdropped to investor. For the second time onward, the claim button will be active. Please check the number of the claimable and click the claim button. So here you will find out this page. Here you need to click on the claim and you also need here you will find out 3 things like available, claimed and claimable. So it's mean available means the number of the tokens that you have been allocated in the private seed angel rounds, and the claimed means the number of the tokens that you have claimed, and claimable means the number of the tokens that you can claim at the time. So thank you for your support. Follow us on the socials for further updates on your developments. Please contact the Night War, the Holy Trio team if you are unable to claim your allocate tokens. So this is very simple way, and these are very simple steps that show you how you can claim their tokens by clicking on this link. So when you click on this link, you will find out this page. Here you need to connect your wallet. You need to click on the connect and click on the MetaMask or Trust Wallet that you want to connect with your site. After there, you need to connect. So after connecting your wallet, I show you the simple 4 steps that you can follow and you will be able to claim their tokens. So after this, we go back to our home page and discuss about other things like social medias. So here you will find out their social media links. First of all, we discuss about the Nightwalk Twitter page. Here you need to follow it and press the bell icon to see their every update regarding their project on your mobile screen. So it is very necessary for you if you want to buy their tokens or if you want to play their games, and if you want to earn from their playing game, you need to follow them and press the bell icon to find out each and every solution of the problem regarding their project that you have regarding their projects. So here you can also find out and you can also check their all pinned message. So pinned message are the very necessary for you, so they have all information and updation regarding their project. So thank you very much for seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.